Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Romina and I do nail art in my tiny fingers. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful winter manicure with snowy trees. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel line. This is a two-step polish. The first step is the color. This is the Hypnotical. It's between a purple and blue shimmery color. It's a little bit sheer, so you're gonna need 2 or 3 coats to get full coverage. In this case, I'm gonna be using just 2. With the second coat, I get pretty much full coverage. So I don't think it's needed to use a third one, but it's up to you. That will make the color a little bit brighter if you use it, but don't forget that the coats are gonna get thicker. It's totally normal that you're gonna have to clean up after painting your nails. So I'm gonna be using this orange stick with a little bit of cotton in the tip. This is very easy to use if you don't have a cleanup brush. I always prefer to use the brush because it gives me more precision. But as you see, this is very easy. Just dip it into acetone or nail polish remover and just try to repair those mistakes. Now if you're using a cleanup brush, you're gonna notice that it's a bit more comfortable and it actually gives you a lot more control on the brush while correcting those mistakes. And you can use acetone or nail polish remover. Personally, I think that acetone dries out my skin too much, so I don't use it that much. Now I'm gonna be applying the top coat. This is the step 2 of this manicure 101 shiny top coat. This line promises you to give you the gel look in your nails if you use these 2 steps. So this is actually smoothing the surface a little bit and it's super shiny, so the color really pops. Before we move into the stamping, I just wanted to appreciate the color. That is beautiful, so let me know what you think. For the next step, I'll be applying this liquid latex to protect my skin from the stamping. And here I'm using the WhatsApp Nails B049. This is the stamping plate from Winter. And I'll be using those 2 designs of snowy trees and the snowy feathers. So after that, you can remove the liquid latex. If you don't have, you can always use tape or something that protects your skin. And the last step with the cleanup brush will be just working those little mistakes that you made while painting your nails. In this case, remember that the stamping polishes sometimes bleed when they get in contact with acetone or nail polish remover, so you can just wait if you don't like to clean up and they will come off in the shower. So it's not a big deal if you just want to leave it like that. And this is the final result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!